Vehicle Dynamics Control with Active Torque Vectoring. Vehicle Dynamics Control, VDC, with Active Torque Vectoring sharpens cornering response for tighter lines through every turn. It actively reduces understeer so the apex of every corner is just an easy turn of the wheel. High-performance brakes. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, prevents wheel lockup and helps maintain driver control. Electronic brake force distribution, EBD, balances braking, while brake assist can sense a panic stop situation and apply full braking force to help stop faster. The 12.4-inch diameter front brakes maximize stopping power. Direct Injection Turbocharged Subaru Boxer registered engine drawn from over 40 years of intelligent performance. The unique Subaru Boxer registered engine has pistons that move side to side, cancelling out each other's vibrations so it can run smoother and more efficiently. This horizontal layout also offers better balance while delivering a maximum transfer of power. The WRX features one of Ward's 10 best engines for an outstanding performance. The 268 horsepower direct injection turbocharged engine produces maximum power across a wide power band, delivering 258 pounds-feet of torque from 2,000 to 5,700 RPM. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.